2008 Honda Civic. We're going to do a power steering fluid evac and refill. Very simple procedure. 12-ounce bottle from the dealership, $4.35. That's pretty darn cheap maintenance. Preventive maintenance at that. There's our evac system. There's many brands. There's big ones, little ones, cheap ones, expensive ones. All you're doing is using vacuum to remove a little bit of fluid, and you're going to pour it back in with a funnel. It's that simple. No drip, no mess. There is the power steering reservoir. It's a circulating system. What goes out eventually comes back. This technique, you will not get every drop out. You're not doing a complete flush. You don't have to do a complete flush. You can do it as often as you want. You can do it every 5,000 miles. I do it between every 10 and 15, at least every year. It's simple and it's cheap. This car's got 96,000 miles on it. I've never had any power steering pump failures or issues on any of my vehicles. And do a simple evac and refill. I believe that prevents a lot of failures. You have to be very careful doing this. There's a fine mesh screen. It acts as a filter for incoming fluid that you pour in out of a container to catch any contaminants. You can easily puncture that. It looks like a nylon mesh screen. When I get the fluid out, I'll show it to you. Same way with any reservoir. When you get down to sucking air, when you start pulling air, you'll have to move your hose around a little bit. Might be hung up on or something internal to the reservoir. Okay, it may not focus, but it's a pretty neat little method that Honda uses. That screen is between the intake and the outtake. It appears to be a filter for anything you pour into the reservoir, but it's also, if something fails in the rack and pinion, the screen might protect that too. Putting your vacuum hose down in there, be careful as not to puncture that screen. I can't tell for sure, but it looks like it might be nylon. If you're careful, you wouldn't have to use a funnel, but I'm going to. Don't overfill it. Bring it up to the max line, or even the minimum. Bring it up to the minimum line. Drive it a few miles, and then check it. Honda uses lower and upper. A lot of them use min, max, minimum, maximum. Out of 12 ounces, we got that much left. Looks like it took a little bit more than half. That's it. $4.35. Even less than that because I got some left. You are not getting the whole system, but you're getting a few ounces out. If you do that every year, how can it hurt anything? I've seen some power steering fluids get in some pretty rough shape to the point where it destroys the power steering pumps. A lot of that could come from a rack and pinion failure. When a rack and pinion fails internally, that debris got nowhere to go but to the power steering pump and the reservoir. Or some of the Hyundais have an inline filter in their power steering systems to save the pump in case there is a failure in the rack and pinion or the pump to not contaminate the rest of the system. Cheap and easy. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.